Hello everyone, welcome to my channel AutoCalcs Beyond Unit Conversion. Today I'm going to talk about a few area calculators done with unit conversion automated at v2.domain.com. It's the calculation engine by AutoCalcs. To get to the area calculator, it's already created and organized in the docs website. So you go to it there and you can see go to the math. And then on the menu area calculator, so by default it shows you the square calculator, the area calculator for square. So this is straightforward and slightly different from your conventional calculator. It's like here you can just switch the units directly. 12 inches is 1 feet, always one. This means 304.8 millimeters, but still when you change the units, it's still the same measure, same quantity, but showing as a different measurements. So it doesn't change the result of the area. But of course, you can show the area in different units. In this case, if you want to show that in different, change the input for a different calculation, you can, right? So hopefully the result is correct. So that's how convenient you have, and you can have. Over here is a drop down, and you can search, and also it's a drop down, right? For in cases when the list is too long, then you may want to search, right? So for example, a rectangle, then it get to you right away. Get you there right away. Another thing is the benefit of this unit conversion automated calculation is over here you can use expression like say 3 feet. That's how I use this for a special imperial input, like say fractional. If you have a if you have a length of 3 feet 9 inches and 5/8, let's say, so you can enter it like 3 times 3 feet, right? Plus 9 inches plus 5/8. So that's 3 feet 9 inches and 5/8. Right? So you can see this gives you the inches result, and then you can the calculation can be done automatically, and then this you can show it in imperial, in metric. Very convenient. Right? A lot of times this is very convenient, especially convenient for me who have been in Canada working. I have been working in Canada for so many years and dealing with metric and imperial a lot of times, and so that's actually the reason that I developed this feature into this calculator. So I hope that you feel this is beneficial. And also there are other area calculators that you can, like, for example, there are 4 options for different for calculating areas of triangles based on different given conditions. Like say if you have a base and height, or you have the 3 sides, or 2 angles and the sides in between, or 2 sides and the angle between. Right? Use this as the example. If you do 3 sides, right? Again, right now this shows as all the units as inches, but you can change it, right? Based on whatever input you have handy, and you can show in the result and whatever results that you want to show. So on top of this, I'd like to show you an example so that you can see the benefit of and AutoCAX. You can see this turning logo here. It when you hover on it, you should go to the source calculator. If you click on it, it will show you this. Right? So this allows you to do the calculations, but also it allows you to customize. You can keep doing, right? So that, and also once you do that, you can save it if it's your own calculator. If it's somebody else, you can save it as, because you cannot override other people's calculators. So this, if it's in the public domain, you can save it as your own copy and then customize from there. So that's that. Let's go back to the rectangle. I want to show you an application. The title is "How many tiles required for a room floor?" Right? This is an image illustration showing this is a type of tiles, and this is a room that we want to install the tiles. Right? So a typical task for this kind of job is like we want to figure out how many tiles we need for the room. Right? So for the tiles, we have side A and B, which is A and B, and then the tile area equals A times B. And then for the room, we have the width of the room W and the length of the room L. So the area of the room AR equals W times L. Right? Whatever unit that you have, as you can see, you just throw it in. You don't need to worry about calculating and conversions at all. Right? So this, once you have the tile area calculated and then you have the room area, then the quantity of the tiles required, it can be calculated by the area division, AR divided by A, right, which gives you the quantity. If you change that to be, if you want to try a different size of tiles, then let's say 6 by 8, right, then automatically you get this new quantity. Or if you want to fit a bigger area, say you have a room of 16 feet, then that's how much you have. Of course, if you are dealing with a different unit system, it's very convenient to switch, no problem, right? So that's of course, I want to say that once you created a calculation and you save it, and then it will have a unique URL and to show the exact calculation, and then you can send this to share with your friends, and your friends can use it as a calculation, as an app actually, right? Just like the power that you enjoyed. Okay, hope you like it. If you do, please like it and subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks very much. Bye for now.